If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Hi guys! Welcome to Zandrake's World at nandito na naman tayo para sa isang unboxing video. So, ang ating i-unbox ay ang bagong Jollibee Kids Meal Toys para sa May 2025 at ito nga ang Jolly Kids Little Achievers. So tara, simulan na natin ang ating unboxing. Okay. Ayan, so nandito, makikita natin ang 5 toys. So isa nating tanggalin. Okay, ito si Jolly Kids Little Achievers Jolly Chef. Okay, next toy is Dr. Hetty. Next toy ay Astronomer Popo. Sunod ay Superstar Twirly. At ang huli, ang ikalimang toy ay Engineer Yum. Okay, so ayan, 5 ang toys na nirelease nila for this month. So siguro abot na naman for 2 months bago mag-release ng bagong toys. So let's start unboxing these toys. Okay, so simulan na natin. Let's start with si Jollibee muna. Okay, so Jolly Chef. Okay, sabi dito, okay, so open lid at the back and put 20 ml of cold water below 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, so kailangan ng tubig. May naka-ready tayong tubig dito sa ating flask. Okay, let's get scissors. Okay. Ito. Saan natin? Oops. Ito mapuro lang ating gunting. Okay. So ito. So magluluto tayo. Jollibee Chef daw. Okay. So ito yung grill. Okay, yung lutuan. O griddle. Okay. Tapos meron siyang switch. Tapos saan daw ilalagay yung tubig? Okay, basahin muna natin yung instructions. O meron din sticker. Okay, Jolly's Kitchen. Okay, saan natin ilalagay ito? Oh, dito siya sa knob. Okay, gawin natin. Hit natin dito. Okay, taas natin ganyan. Ayan, i-align natin dun sa red line. At yellow line. Okay, Jolly's Kitchen. Alright. Tapos, sabi dito yung water dito sa likod. Bubuksan natin. Ito natin ilalagay yung tubig sa loob. Ayan. So, 20 ml. So, tansyahin na lang natin. Wala tayong pang measure ng tubig. Okay. Tapos, turn the knob rightwards. Wow. So, ano kaya mangyayari? Then, water will slowly come out in the griddle. Put your favorite food and flip it using spatula. It will change color upon contact with cold water around 10 to 15 seconds. Okay? Sige, subukan natin. Gawin natin flask. And may water. Okay. Then put it slowly here. Oh, parang matatapon na. Okay. Dahan-dahan. Sapat na kaya yung tubig doon? Dagdagan pa natin. Okay. Siguro tama na muna yun. Ayan, oh. Okay, nabasa ang ating cloth. Okay, sige. Pero let's continue. Okay. So, lagay daw natin yung food dito. Turn the knob. Okay. Lagay yung food dito. Turn the knob. Paano ka ba ipapakita? Oops, naglilik ang ating tubig. Okay, masyado madami nalagay natin. Sabi, it will change color daw. So, na yung water natin. Okay, so nag-change tayo ng camera angle para makita natin itong pag-change ng color. Kaya lang nag-leak na siya. So, I'm not sure what happened or what's wrong. So, siguro kailangan pa natin lagyan ng tubig. So, hindi pa nag-change yung color. Okay, let's do this again. Okay, let's put some water. Okay, na-turn ko na nga pala yung knob. So, nag-automatic na yung tubig. So, ano ba? Okay, let's use the spatula. Natin kung magbabago yung color niya in 15 seconds. Or, cold enough ba yung ating water? Hindi ko masabi. So, dapat 15 seconds lang daw eh. Let's put more water. Diretso na lang natin dito sa matapon. Okay. Cold enough? Yes, cold naman. Okay, ano ba nangyayari? May nangyayari ba? It's cold water. Is it not cold enough? Oh my gosh. Parang it's not working. Siguro, I'll get some ice water. Okay, let's try it. Balikan natin. Okay, so we're back. So, ayan. So, ito nga pala. So, tiniyo ko muna siya. Dito natin. Ayan. Parang enough mo siya pag inano mo siya dito. Parang aangat itong griddle. Then kapag inikot mo ulit siya pabalik dito, ayan na yung griddle. So ito yung tubig ulit, pero this time ididiretso na natin dito. So masyadong mainit sa Pilipinas, hindi ginaya ng ating tubig. Let's try it here. Okay, so mga 15 seconds lang daw. And it isn't working. Sobrang init talaga sa Pilipinas. Pero you can see, so, lagyan na natin siya dito. And siya, nagiging pink siya. See? Yan, nagiging pink siya. Need to change color. Yung chicken, not so sure. Parang hindi naman nagbago. Ito, hindi rin eh. So ano ba? May problema ba yung nakuha nating item? O hindi lang talaga malamig. Sobrang init kasi sa Pilipinas. But, okay, let's move on to the next toy. Okay, so next toy natin ay itong Engineer Yum. Okay, so sabi dito, pick a card and place it on the deck. Number 2, place gears and screws in the open slot. Only screws can be secured using the drill. Press the drill switch to rotate and to rotate the gears and watch them spin. Okay, so tara, buksan natin. So maintain na lang natin itong gantong angle ng camera para mas magandang tingnan yung mga toys, mas makita ng ayos. Okay, so okay. Oops, nasa likod yung cards. Nakatalikod yung cards, ah. Okay. So, ano ba siya? Alright. Okay, ito si drill natin. Wow, umikot talaga yung drill. Ito yung screws. Ito yung sticker ng Yum, Mr. Yum. Ilabas natin yung screws. Okay, may naiwan. Okay, so we have 1, 2, dalawang green screws, or parang pares siya, no? So, dalawang blue, dalawang yellow, and red. Oops, naiwan. There you go. Okay. Ito. Alright. So, simulan natin. Okay. So, paano ba to? Paano ilalagay? So, natin yung unang card. Oh. So, ano to? Truck. With a mixer. Mostly for construction yata itong yan. And then this one, oh, engineer. Okay, so iba-ibang klaseng engineer. Okay, wow. Okay, so not too familiar ko ng tawag dito sa ganitong engineer, pero let's start with this one. Okay, so ano ba ito? Ipapasok sa likod. Okay. Oh, parang na-stuck siya. So dito ba? Okay. Okay, so parang baliktad yata yung lagay natin. Dito yata yung sa harap. Okay, dito. Tapos lalagyan natin ng screws. Dito natin itong drill. Oh, there. Nakita nyo, may ikot. Oh, so ayan. Oh, wow, galing. This one, try it here. Okay. Tingnan natin paano yung ikot. Wow, there you go. Okay, magaling, ang ganda. Parang dito. Ang screws lang tayo dito. Screws. Tapos yung gears. Okay, screw natin. Oh, okay. Paano matatanggalin ngayon? Okay. So it's like a screw talaga. Ikutin mo. Pero okay. There you go. Maganda siya. Very creative ang kanilang toys ngayon. So, gawin nga natin itong isa. Oh. Ano ba ito? So, parang wheels. Hindi. Hindi siya bagay din. So, ang dalawa. So, ikaw na magde-decide kung anong lalagay mo. Oops, parang hindi na siya. Stuck na siya. Ayaw na niyang umikot. Okay. So, tanggalin natin. Oh, okay. Yan. Alright, so there you go. Ito yung different engineers. I'm just not too familiar kung anong klaseng engineers sila. Okay. So we're on the construction. So parang marine engineer. So there you go. Okay, so let's move on to the next toy. Pero ito si Mr. Yum. Okay, maganda talaga yung toys nila this month. So very creative, very imaginative achievers indeed. Okay, let's move on to the next toy. Before we forget, okay, so saan natin ilalagay yung sticker? Oh, there. Add Yum sticker here. Okay, matuto tayo magbasa ng instructions. Okay, so dito natin ilalagay yung sticker ng Yum. Okay, sakto natin, no? Okay, there you go. Wow, yeah. Yeah, it's amazing. Okay. There you go. Okay, move on na talaga tayo sa next try. Okay. Okay, so next is Jolly Kids Little Achiever Superstar Twirly. Okay, si Twirly. So, tingnan natin. Okay, so doon yung sticker. Okay, tandaan natin. Doon ang sticker. Then, may pattern discs. Wow, interesting. Then, instruction 1. Oh, okay. So, better buksan muna natin. Then, we'll read the instructions. Maganda ba buksan nung walang scissors? Okay, actually, mas maganda may scissors. Okay. There you go. Alright. Ito, isang malaking sticker. Dalawa sila, actually. Ito. So, dito ilalagay yung sticker. Kabilaan. Okay, let's do that first. Put the stickers first. Over here. Okay. Oh, okay. No. Don't stick yet. Okay. Natansya pa natin. Okay, so alright. Sana perfect ang pagkakalagay natin. Ayan. Pwede na. Alright. And the next one. The other side naman. Okay, let's put the sticker here. Ibigat na nga natin. Oh, no. You know what? Sa mga itong kaya minsan ayoko naglalagay ng sticker dun sa toy. Kasi hindi nga ako magaling maglagay ng sticker. And one thing is that katagalan, natatanggal siyang mag-isa. Natatanggal ng kusa, nawawala yung dikit niya for some reasons. Puro sa init, kasi sobrang init talaga dito sa Pilipinas. Grabe. Ayan, okay. So, pwede na siguro yan. And then, ito yung disc. Oh, iba-iba. So, stars, multicolored stars, multicolored circles. Then what's this? Multicolored, what are these? Petals. And then this one is, yeah, stars, curves, triangles. Not sure. Okay, pero here, dito mo siya, itatapat mo dito. So, hindi natin binasa instructions, no? Tapos mamaya maliligaw na naman tayo. Pero mukhang tama naman ang gagawin ko. Okay, there you go. So, anong gagawin natin? Okay, basahin na natin yung instructions syempre. Okay, so nailagay na natin. Place, number 1, place your selected pattern disc in the base and insert twirly to lock the disc in place. Then spin it manually to catch twirly dance. Okay. Superstar twirly. So, okay, so watch it spin and see an optical illusion. Prior use expose the disc under bright light for at least 60 seconds to watch it glow in the dark while spinning. Oh, interesting. So, may bright light tayo dito. ito. 60 seconds. So, dapat ba sa sun? Mas better ba sa sun? So, gabi kasi tayo nag-shoot ngayon. Okay. Pero let's see. Let's try it without doing the exposure thing. And then, yeah, there you go. Wow, medyo maganda yung optical illusion niya. Okay. Isa pa. Okay. One more. Oh, okay. Mayroong parang may steps dun sa sa may bilog. Okay. Try nga natin yung iba. Okay, tanggalin natin to. Okay, let's try the other discs. Okay, patulog natin dyan. And lagyan natin tong swirly. Maganda kaya to. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, lumayo siya. Okay, next. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh. Okay, next. Let's try it again. With a different one this time. Okay. Tapat natin yung butas. And insert twirly again. 1, 2, 3. Wow. Okay. Oh, okay. Ang galing. Iba talaga pag mabilis na speed. There's some optical illusion nga. And this one, let's try the stars. Okay, spin, twirly. Oh, okay. Hindi pa dulo ko na na-appreciate yung niya. Yung effect ng disc. Pag rapid spin, parang medyo wala ka masyado makita. Okay. Yeah, great. Great, very creative. But yung bright light, I'm not sure kung paano gagawin. Pero sige, try natin. Let's find a bright light. So we tried to na-expose yung mga discs. And then papatayin natin yung ilaw. So I have one light left. So I have 3 lights kasi when we're shooting. I have 2 ring lights and 1 with a yung main light ko. So patayin natin to. Yung ring light na lang natitira. Okay, so let's see. Okay, sana wala tayong makitang hindi dapat makita. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wow, there you go. Okay, so hindi natin makita kung ano nangyayari. Pero, sige, balik natin yung ilaw. Ang slide. Okay, teka. Lagay muna natin sa twirly. Hindi natin makita. Kasi mas ma-appreciate mo siya pag sobrang dilim. Okay. Stars. So baka kaya hindi ko siya ma-appreciate masyado kanina habang umiikot kasi nga kailangan glow in the dark. Okay, let's try it again. Wow. There you go. Spin. Ay, maganda nga siya. Another one. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, nawawala siya. So, nauubos na yung light. Okay. Wow, it's amazing. Ano pa? Ito pa, oh. Ito yung kanina. So, hindi masyado makita. So, expose ko ulit sa light. So, balikan natin. Okay, so in-expose ko na dito sa main light. So, ang gamit naman natin ngayon yung main light. Okay. Patayin ulit natin yung ilaw. Let's see. Wow! Okay, mas bright siya nung na-expose ulit siya sa ilaw. This one. Wow, ang ganda. Ang ganda niya. This one. Wow, iba yung atake niya kapag pag glow in the dark. Napakaganda niya. Okay, na-try natin tong stars. Pero try natin yung iba. Okay, wait lang. Ilaw ulit, ilaw. Masilaw tayo sa ilaw. Expose natin itong iba. Alright, try ulit natin. Okay. Wow! It's amazing. Amazing yung ilaw talaga. Galing. Ganda. Ganda. Iba. Iba siya. Here. Ang ganda. So, nag-effort talaga si Jollibee. Nag-effort sila for these toys. Medyo matrabaho ang mga each toy. Nakakatatlo pa lang tayo pero ang dami natin ilaw. Okay, let's move on to the next toy. Okay, first, balik natin ang ilaw. Okay, for our next toy, okay, so we have Dr. Hetty. Okay, so, alright, buksan natin. Okay, scissors ulit. Ano, mas malinis ang bukas. Okay. Oh, very straightforward ito. Oh. So, I'm sure may sticker to eh. Nasaan ang sticker? Okay, ito ang sticker. So, we have Hetty. Of course, doon natin lalagay sa portion na may shape ni Hetty. Okay, here. Here. Okay. Ito na. Ito na. Okay. Ang daming buttons. Ito lang yung napapansin kay Hetty. Lagi siyang may paganto. Yeah, yung parang hindi magdikit yung battery at yung conductor. Okay. Remove natin. Lagi siyang may pailaw. Mahilig sa ilaw si Hetty. Kahit sa ibang toys. So, let's start with this one. Okay, magbasa tayo ulit ng instruction para masaya. Okay, so first, number 1, insert the film into the slot at the back of the toy. Second, press the button to activate the light. The screen will light up to show X-ray image. 4, playable buttons. Okay, playable buttons. Yeah. Okay. Oh, let's see. Natanggal ba to? Parang hindi. Parang masisira siya. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Alright. Ito pala ilalagay. So, let's try this. Yung head. Put it here. Alright. Hindi natin lagay yan. 1, 2, 3. Oh, parang siyang hologram. Parang kahit walang ilaw. Or masyado lang maano yung ilaw ko. Oh, there's the skull. X-ray. Okay. Malapit. Oh, okay. Pero hologram siya. When you tilt it a little bit, you will see. Siguro dahil sa ilaw ko. Ayan. Okay, next one. Alright. Oh, okay. So, whole body ito. Or portion. Ayan na may lungs. Okay. This is without the x-ray. Tilt it. Actually, you tilt it. Para kasi yung ilaw ko masyadong maliwanag. Kaya no need to push. Okay, ayan o. Ang galing. Okay, next. What's this? Kamay. Ganda. Oh, yun lang. Ayun, itanggal na. So, meron ditong, or ano to? Knees? Or elbows ba to? Knees or elbows? So, it more looks like more elbow. Ito naman sa pelvis. Ito sa foot. Okay. Alright, so yan, very effort talaga nag-isip nitong toy na to. Ayan o, kahit di ko na siya pindutin. Ano, kikita nyo na x-ray. Right. What's this? Variable buttons, but it doesn't do anything. Wala lang. Okay. Pero, very impressed ako sa toys ng Jollibee this month. So, lagyan na lang natin siya dito lahat. Kasya ba? Okay. There you go. Ang natin sticker. Okay. Alright, and we'll move on to the next toy. Ay, hindi siya kasya. Tanggalin. Oh, masira. Sayang naman. Alright, there you go. And where's that plastic? Okay. Balik natin. Okay. Let's move on to the next toy. Alright, for the next toy, we have Astronomer Popo. Okay. So, buksan na natin. Okay. So, kaya ang meron dito. Oh, nagtip ko na magupit yung sticker. Okay. Ang nasa likod ng sticker. Wow. Laki ng sticker. So, may pinakamalaking sticker with a big letter P. Stands for Popo. And then there's constellation. Wow. Bata ako may ako sa constellation din. So, Big Dipper, Cygnus, Cassiopeia, and of course si Popo. Alright, and sa ating iba. Okay. Wow. May pailaw din si Popo. Okay, and what else? Oh. Wow. Ano kayang meron dito? Okay. And telescope. And what's this? It's a platform. Okay. Oops. Check the instructions, of course. Okay, number 1. Open the monoscope. Okay, so it's a monoscope, not a telescope. Open the monoscope and keep one selected lens at a time. Okay, and the sticker goes there. Ayan, sticker P dun sa Popo. Yung Popo. P. Dikit natin dito. Alright. Oh, tatanggal siya. Tatanggal siya. Okay. And then the big sticker goes where? Here. Here. Oh no, meron siyang stars. Naiiwan sila. Talaga bang iiwan sila? So there are 3 holes here. May naiwan na isa. Okay, that's why I hate stickers talaga. Ang hirap niyang isakto. Okay, here you go. Ganda na yan. This hole, paano to? Itong hole na to. Are you missing anything? Alright. Tanggal natin. Dito. Okay. Tanggalin nga natin to. And turn on. Wow, that's amazing. And then, masyado dito. Hindi natin binalikan yung instruction. So, Turn on the switch, and then number 3, view the lit up image using the monoscope to reveal a pattern. Or switch among interchangeable lenses to see the other patterns. Okay. Meron bang iba? The lens? Saan? Where are the other lenses? I only have here one lens. Oh, okay. So, dalawa siya. Okay, let's try the first one. Okay. Lit up. Okay, so ano nangyari? Okay. Wow, it's like it's glowing na. Okay ba? Parang magana yung stars. Nagba-burst. Okay, ang ganda. Okay, for si Jollibee. And let's change the lens to the second one. So yun, nasan siya? Okay, here. Alright, let's try this one. Oh, meron parang kakaibang lights na nag-sparkle siya sa got that. Alright, let's try it again. Wow, you know, inspiring. May mga sparkles. Wow, it's amazing. Ang galing ng toys ng Jollibee this month. Okay, so there you go, ang ating 5 toys with a monoscope. Here are the 5 toys for Jolly Kids Little Achievers. So we have Twirly Superstar, we have Dr. Hetty, and then Jollibee Chef, and then Engineer Yum, then Astronomer Popo. Alright, so ang gaganda ng mga toys nila this month, and sigurado ako matutuwa ang mga kids. So while on vacation, this is something they can play for. The only thing na ma-comment ko dito is sana nandito si Jollibee dun sa may mismong griddle. Meron at least sana siyang stand or sticker. So wala, siya lang ang wala. So sa lahat merong sticker, pero siya yung name lang ang meron, Jolly's Kitchen. But anyway, it was enjoyable and it was an amazing experience. So kakaiba ito sa mga toys na na-release nila before. So this is highly recommended for every kid, kids at heart, and collect all 5 and enjoy playing with these toys. Okay, so there you go. Thank you for watching our unboxing video, and kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa channel natin, please don't forget to subscribe and follow our social media accounts in TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and X. Okay, so hanggang sa susunod na unboxing video. Thank you so much guys, and paalam!